So in this session we will see how to solder the electronic or electrical components. Okay, and this one is the multi-purpose board. So we have so number of holes and we have the lead plates is there. Okay, so we have to place the components like this, not in the back side, and this is the front side, this one is the back side. In this this is the side we have to solder, right? So in order to design a half wave rectifier, I may use a resistor and a diode, and I am inserting one capacitor, and this one is the 25 volt 4.47 microfarad capacitor. Here having the polarity negative and positive. We should place the polarity very clear. Okay, right, I am inserting this components, right. So before soldering, so we have to know about the soldering components. This one is the soldering iron, right, and this one is the soldering lead. It's made up of thin and lead, and then this one is the soldering paste. Okay, so first we have to put the paste where you have to solder. Okay, and just putting the paste over we have to solder, but I am using this pen. Right, the first one is the resistor, right. I am going to solder this. I am just placing the soldering iron over that component, and that's all. It's a simple soldering, a perfect soldering which cannot touch with the other leads. Okay, and this one. That's all. And for the third, yeah. So when you have to connect these two terminals, I'm just placing over there. Okay, right. That's all. And for the last, yes. So now it is connected. We have to cut these terminals. We have to cut these terminals, and we have to give the supply over here. We will get the output from plus and minus. Okay, so we have to cut the components here. Likewise, right. So this lead for how to I'm going to explain how to desolder the process, right. So in order to desoldering, so I must use this paste. So wherever the paste, the lead will go there. Okay, so if you touch this, it will melt and desolder. Okay, right, here it is desoldered.